my name is Sarah Taglinaw. I live in Manila, Philippines. I am currently a public school teacher in Ususan Elementary School. I am teaching English, Values Education, and Social Studies to grade 3 pupils. But before that, I became a junior associate in UST Global Incorporated, a private sector or a private company where I transferred international calls to a different department that they needed. I also had a 2 years of experience as a private school teacher in Pasig Chinese School, where I met Chinese teachers and Chinese pupils. From that, I learned a little bit of their culture, traditions, and norms. And I believe that I can use my experiences to showcase my skills to this platform as an ESL teachers, to Chinese pupils, and of course to your company. I assure the quality of the teaching methodologies and strategies that I am going to use. Thank you and have a nice day.